Personal development is a continuous process of self-improvement that encompasses various aspects of life, including mental, emotional, social, and professional growth. It involves setting clear goals, assessing oneself, acquiring new skills, and making deliberate efforts to enhance one's overall well-being. Whether you want to advance your career, improve your relationships, or enhance your personal satisfaction, personal development can help you achieve your aspirations. Here are 10 essential steps to guide you on your journey towards personal growth and fulfillment. Steps in personal development. Set clear goals. Identify what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as career, health, relationships, and personal growth. Write down specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Self-assessment. Reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, values, and interests. Understanding yourself better will help you make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement. Create a personal development plan. Outline a detailed plan that includes your goals, the steps needed to achieve them, and a timeline. This plan should also include resources, milestones, and metrics for tracking progress. Develop new skills. Identify skills that are relevant to your goals and take steps to acquire them. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops, reading books, or seeking mentorship. Time management. Learn to manage your time effectively by prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and avoiding procrastination. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and productivity apps to stay organized. Seek feedback. Regularly seek feedback from others to gain different perspectives on your progress. Constructive criticism can help you identify blind spots and areas for improvement. Stay motivated. Maintain your motivation by celebrating small wins, staying focused on your goals, and surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people. Keep reminding yourself of the reasons behind your goals. Build resilience. Develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks and stay committed to your goals. Practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or physical exercise to build mental and emotional resilience. Expand your network. Build and maintain relationships with people who can support and inspire you. Networking can provide new opportunities, knowledge, and resources that are essential for personal growth. Review and adjust. Regularly review your progress and adjust your personal development plan as needed. Be flexible and open to change as your goals and circumstances may evolve over time. By following these steps, you can embark on a rewarding journey of personal development, unlocking your full potential and achieving greater fulfillment in life.